What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Zion. I'm back here with another wet tutorial, and I'm about to show y'all how to get y'all crown to be even more complete. I've been seeing too many people walking around with just incomplete crowns, bro, and it's making me, heat up. So I'm going ahead and get y'all right today. Y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. It's gonna be a pretty short video. All you need is a brush, do-rag, and get yourself some any type of pomade. It don't matter, bro. You can go get some Murray's, or you can use what I'm about to use in the video. Other than that, bro, hey, there's nothing else you need to know. Anything else you need for this video, that's about it. Y'all like, comment, share, y'all subscribe to the channel. You know what I'm saying? Help the boy out. But I'm about to teach y'all what to do. Let's get it.
Damn, J Bird, merch, that's you.
For this step right here, all we're doing is outlining our pattern and where our crown actually sits. So by this point you should already know where your crown is. So all you're gonna do is outline the pattern before you start laying down pomade, so you know where to put your pomade at around your crown. So for this step right here, you need to get your brush out, and for this, all you have to do is brush for 15 minutes. I ended up using my hard Torino Pro brush. This right here is for because I'm especially woofing, like I said earlier, and it just completely lays my hair down. So this is all I needed. I didn't need anything else after this. All I did was just sat there and brush for 15 minutes, and that took care of the rest of the problem. Now, if you're not woofing, I do not recommend you to use a really hard brush, but you can use a medium or a soft brush, depending on what stage you're at. But for me, this is what I had to do. Now after doing that, this is what you want to do. Go grab another brush If you started with a hard brush, grab a medium. If you started with a medium, grab a soft. You know, things of that nature. If you grab that, keep on brushing again. You want to brush again for another, like I say, another 5-10 minutes. That's literally all I did. But knowing me, I brush for like 30. So you ain't gotta go as crazy as me, but for me, that's personally what I did. But yeah, I'm about to continue with this, and after that, you're gonna want to rag up. Now, if you've been watching this long and you have been sticking with the process, you about to see the reason why I'm putting y'all on the game, bro. This right here, it's like literally the perfect way to get your crown spot on.